Hello, I am attorney Amy Bailey, and I am here to help you through life's transitions that involve protecting intellectual property. Together, we will work through the processes needed to ensure that you, your creative ideas, and your brand are protected under federal law. This protection can be obtained through a trademark. Trademarks tell the world that what you make or sell comes uniquely from you. You want to stand out. So stay tuned for our Trademark Tip Tuesdays, our blogs and videos, in which I will provide key information and tools to help you succeed. I'm looking forward to working with you.